Nice to be here. So my name is Mikko Savola. I'm CEO of Monidor, and we help hospitals to give accurate intravenous therapy for every patient. Intravenous therapy is one of the most common treatments in a hospital. And most of the intravenous therapy on general hospital wards is conducted like this, counting drops manually, which is prone to errors. Inaccurate intravenous therapy can cause problems and cost to the hospitals. Additionally, nurses are very busy on general hospital wards, and they do not have time to check that infusion are running like they should. Our solution is easy to use infusion therapy device Monidor and remote infusion monitoring software. Inaccurate intravenous therapy can cause complications, longer hospital stay, and even increased mortality. This picture is typical hospital ward, and it can be me, you, or someone close to us laying in this bed and receiving infusion therapy like this. Most of the therapy is given like this, and it is prone to errors. Infusion may run too fast, or it can stop without any warning. And nurses do not have time to check infusions. Especially in the night time, there is only few nurses working on the ward. Monidor's story started when our co-founder, Dr. Antti Puolitaival, faced frequent problems due to inaccurate infusion therapy. Current situation is that over 90% of the patients receive some form of infusion therapy that are hospitalized. And infusion therapy can be given by manually calculating drops or by using advanced infusion pump. Problem with the manual is its inaccuracy, and on the other hand, infusion pumps have been designed for intensive care unit and high critical care, and they are expensive to use. Manually given IV therapy is inaccurate.
Stand in front of the microphone, thank you.
This picture shows results when 129 nurses try to set 200 mils per hour, which is typical infusion rate on general hospital ward. Only 17% of the nurses could reach 10% accuracy. But look at the extremes. It is alarming that how many could not even reach 60% accuracy as doing it like educated in nursing school. On the other hand, infusion pumps have been designed for high emergency care, and they are expensive to use. This picture shows results when one infusion pump uses one set per day compared to using standard infusion sets. Infusion sets with the pumps are up to 10 times higher cost. And there might be over 1,000 pumps in a hospital, and this is maybe one reason why they are not widely used on general hospital wards. Additionally, pumps alone cannot guarantee accurate infusion therapy. This research shows results when infusion were given manually, and 21% of the bags were infused accurately. When pump was used, only 39% was infused accurately. It's a great improvement, but cannot solve the problem. And it was assumed in this research that more effort should be put on checking infusion, even though pumps were used because they are alarming and need some control after alarm. But we have a solution so that is suitable for general hospital ward. Our solution is remote infusion monitoring service. The service consists of two parts: Monidor device and remote monitoring software. This easy-to-use Monidor device can help nurses to set correct flow rate. And IV screen remote monitoring software reduces extra steps and unnecessary visits because they can see overview of all infusions from one screen, PC or mobile. So we improve quality of care. We can save cost because this product is suitable for standard IV sets. And also we reduce workload of the nurses and shorten emergency response time, and they can see status easily from overview screens. And from customer point of view, they have told us they love the remote monitoring software. We have run trials in 7 hospitals, 15 different departments, and 83% of the nurses would recommend this solution to their colleagues. And they told us that it's easy to use, it saves unnecessary visits to the patients. And it is, for example, in nighttime, patients should sleep because they are healing. And if we can save unnecessary visits due to checking infusions, it's good for the patients, not only saving time. Also, they are happy with this easy-to-use product. So you may ask that if it's this good, why it is not already in every hospital? And actually, many hospitals want to buy it, and we have made a letter of intents with them. We are in a status that we have been trialing this remote monitoring software for 1 year in the hospitals, and it will be launched by end of this year. This product has been already sold since 2018. Our business model is built so that it requires very light organization. So we sell to the hospitals together with distributors and strategic partners. Our product offerings are Monidor devices, remote monitoring service that is sold software as a service and will be launched by the end of this year. And we are already testing best fit IV sets for our product, which is good additional business. We focus on general hospital wards because there is not a good solution at the moment. And in the future, home healthcare is increasing market, and they also need mobile devices and remote monitoring to make it more efficient. Manufacturing of the device is outsourced, software is built in-house, and IV sets have been done together with partners. And about the market size. Infusion therapy market is big. Infusion pump market is roughly $10 billion in Europe, North America, and Japan together. In Asia, market is not that big, but it is growing very fast, and they need cost-efficient solutions. We have started sales with this device in 2018 in Finland, and we have made initial trials and initial sales in Nordics, UK, and soon in Netherlands. And we are going to launch remote monitoring service beginning of next year. And there is huge interest around the world, but we have limited resources and we need to focus the very best market areas at the moment. From competition point of view, I mentioned infusion pumps that have been designed for the high emergency care. They are expensive compared to our solution. There are mechanical precision clamps. They are more expensive sets, mechanical sets, and they have problems with the accuracy. And there are also trip counters like our device, but we are the only one who has remote monitoring service, and it is suitable for standard low-cost infusion sets. We have excellent technology and medical expertise in team, and because we are going to the international market, I recruited actually last week global sales manager who is very experienced with medical product and going to the international market with medical products. We have also a business advisory board that help us to build our growth strategy, and medical advisory board who help us to make evidence-based arguments to the hospitals. So as a summary, we have a device that is CE marked and it is sales already. Remote monitoring service is have been piloted for 1 year and will be launched by the end of the year. And we have started building our international distributor network. And targets for the next year is that we launch this remote monitoring service not only in Finland but also in the key market areas. We collect strong evidence-based arguments from hospital trials, not only in Finland but all key market areas. And we increase sales in UK, Netherlands, and Germany. And for that, we are looking for 2 million equity in order to increase sales in these selected market areas. And we are planning to get leverage from grants and soft loans up to total 4 million euros. So if you are interested and want to talk with me, so I am here today and tomorrow, so please contact me. I am happy to discuss with all interested investors. Thank you.